Hello everyone, how are you today? I hope you are doing good. Let us review the previous lesson. We studied square, triangle and circle. From this lesson we learned the corner and side. Let's know together what's the corner and what's the side. Look at this shape, okay? Each line, small line or a segment line is side. From the square we have 4 sides, okay? And from the triangle we have 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. That is side. And circle, it doesn't have any side and corner. Okay, let's talk about corner. Look at this shape. Corner is this point when two lines, two sides meet together. This place is corner. Okay, so from square we have 4 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. And from triangle we have 3. 1, 2, 3. And from the circle we don't have any corner. Okay, now let's do exercise. Please now focus to me. I will draw for you the shapes. After me you can do it by yourself, okay? Now the first one, a shape with 4 sides and 4 corners. So we draw the square. So I have the square. Okay, I write square. And for the second one, I draw this shape with 3 sides and 3 corners. Which one? It is triangle. Okay, it has 3 sides and 3 corners. So I write triangle. And from there I draw the circle, because circle don't have any line and any side and any corner. So from there I write circle. Okay, look at the number 4. From number 4, I draw one line to get 2 triangles. I have this square. I make it in 2 parts. Each part make triangle. So I draw there a line. From there, you have 2 triangles. Please, students, you can change the page. Go to the page 154. From there, I need the blue color and red color. By blue color, bold the side, and by the red color, I am determining the corner. Okay, so I count them. From there, we have how many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4. I write 4. And we have how many corners? 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 corners. And from there also, I draw this triangle and I count the sides. 1, 2, 3. I write 3. And how many corners I have? I count 1, 2, 3. I write from there 3. Okay, from there, and from there, how many sides I have? 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 sides. And how many corners? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 corners. Okay, from there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I write 6. And how many corners? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I write 6. From there, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides and 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 corners. And from there also I plot them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I count the corner 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I write 5. Now for the problem solution number 7, we have some shapes. I make I change it to the, I make it from each one 2 triangles. Okay, from the square I make 2 triangles, so I draw a line that's, and from there I make it into equal parts. We get 2 triangles, and also I draw a line, and from there also, so I'm sorry, and also from there I have 2 triangles. Okay, dear students, from there we get in this lesson. I hope we get benefit with me. See you at the another lesson. Please take care for yourself.